When you define a form processor, you start with defining the inputs, all the fields that are required and can appear on the web form. In our web form for donations, we have added quite a number of different type of fields so that we can show you many possibilities. Now let's have a look at 3 examples of fields and the definitions. First of all, amount decimal. This field is of the type formatted decimal number and used for the amount settings. You can define the decimal points, the thousand separator, and the number of decimals here. The second field is the field frequency, which contains the type custom options. When I click on edit here, you can see the custom options that we created for the frequency. 1 for annual, 2 for semi-annual, 0 for monthly, etc. In the video about the web form later on in this use case, you will see that we will need to have exactly the same values on the web form as defined here. The last field we're going to show you is of the type short text, as in the first name here. This type of field is used if there is nothing special about it and it's not related to any custom options, option groups, or mailing groups. As you can see, other fields of the type short text are last name, postal code, street address, etc. To add a new field, you start by selecting the field type. As you can see, there are many options. Short text, numeric no decimal, date, time, yes or no, option groups, etc., etc. Select one type of field, click on Add Input, and fill in the title of the field. Is it required or not? And fill in a default value if applicable. If you want to validate this field, you can select a number of options like date validation or is greater than or equal to. Click on Save and Close and you've created a new input field.